We just got a customer that dropped his Mercedes-Benz key, and he came along with who I think is his wife, very nice couple, and he want to pick up the key in about an hour. Right now, the customer is not able to unlock the car, so he cannot even get inside the car. And he's hoping that we can fix this key for him. Let's take a look at the key. I already removed the circuit board of the fob here. And let's take a look and see what's going on. I mean, all components, they look okay physically. I'm interested in testing this 0 ohm resistor here. And it's good. Nothing stands out on this side of the board. The coil looks good. Is it continuous between here and here? It's good. Okay, so I do not see anything wrong with the key based on physical inspection. Let me look and see if we have a donor board that we can use. I have this board here that looks similar. Let's take a look. Let me see what components we have removed from this board. This is our key, our donor board. I want to see if we removed any parts from this one. Maybe we can use this board for the customer and transfer over his NEC chip. Okay, any missing components down here? Let me see. Okay, nothing missing. Okay, so I think we used a component from here, right there. We have to take it from the customer's board and put it back on here. Anything else missing? This should be empty by default, but let me just double check. Yes, it's empty by default. Flip the board. And we have a missing coil here also. We took the coil off this board. Okay, so 3 things we have to transfer over. The coil from the customer's board onto this donor board, the capacitor that we have missing on back of the board here, or on front of the board, right there. And we're gonna transfer over the NEC chip from the customer's board onto this board right here. So by doing so, the customer's key should work because we are keeping all the components on this key and we're just transferring over the NEC chip from the customer's board. So I'm gonna put our key on the left side of the board holder and the customer's key on the right side. Okay, so we're gonna remove the NEC chip off our board right there. Let's go ahead and do it. So pin number 1 is on the top left. And let's grab the customer's NEC and put it on that board. And somebody came in. Somebody came in. The mailman. Okay, we have some packages here. Somebody came in again.
I had open heart surgery and
Oh, how long ago?
I don't know, not
Let's put the chip on the donor key right there. Okay. The chip is perfectly soldered on. I just want to touch up on the pins to make sure everything is nice and solid. He said he's going to come back in about an hour, and I told him I'll give it priority because he cannot use his vehicle. Customer is very nice, and he's the type of customer that you cannot say no to. So when customers behave nicely, I like to return the favor. Be right there.
Now, the apps don't update. They're not updating all the time. They only update sometimes, and so the battery stays fully charged.
So this is done. Clean up. Test to make sure the pins are good. All right, let's test. Pin number 1, 2, 3. So there's 15 pins on each side. It's a 30 pin chip. Okay, so the chip is soldered on properly. Let's go ahead and grab the capacitor from the other key and put it on this one. Just a minute. Hello, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm fine.
All right, all right.
I'm the one who called earlier. Mercedes key?
Mercedes key, yes.
It is
Which Mercedes key?
ML350 2006.
And do you have a donor board, you said?
Well, actually, I have a one that went through a washer before. Just getting my coat.
Yes, sure.
Thank you.
No problem. Okay, so let's secure this capacitor in place just like that. And what am I doing without a fume extractor? This is done. And all we have to do is transfer the coil and give it back to the customer. We're gonna flip the board. Let's grab the coil from here. Nice and gentle, and put it right over here. Okay, very good. And just a touch up on the coil right here. Solid and very solid. Okay, and the key is done. I think I'm gonna work on the second key the customer just brought in. I told him to come back in an hour, and he also drove from far. He actually drove from Orange County. One final checkup. Make sure everything is good. Flip the key. That's the NEC chip that we soldered. Make sure the buttons are working. Very good. Very good. Capacitor is soldered. Just making sure there's nothing else missing. Okay, that's it. Let's put it back inside the fob here. Buttons are pressing, everything is working, and battery. And we do see a light. Very good, because before it was not lighting up. Very good. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.